This is Micah Fawns, and today my son is going to help me. We're going to show the partial product strategy for multiplication. So to use the partial product strategy, we can set up a multiplication equation vertically, and this method relies more on number sense rather than the traditional long multiplication way of solving problems, which relies more on memorizing steps. So instead of just memorizing steps, we're going to use what we know about place value and those concepts to multiply numbers, which become our partial products, and then we add all the partial products up to solve the problem. So we have our problem set up vertically, 52 multiplied by 44. We're going to start by multiplying each digit of the second factor by each digit of the first factor. So we're going to start in the ones place, and we're going to multiply the 4 times 2 to get 8. Then we're going to stick with this 4 in the ones place, and we're going to multiply it by the 5 and the 52. And what we know about number sense is that 5 actually represents 50. So we're multiplying 4 times 50. Okay, so we're going to stay with the second factor, which is 44. We have used the first digit, and now we're going to go to the tens place. And this is also a 4 in this case, but this 4 represents 40, not just 4, because it's the 4 in the tens place. So we're going to multiply 40 times the 2 from the ones place in 52. So 40 times 2. And that gives us 80. And now we're going to go back to the 4 in the tens place, so that's 40, and we're going to multiply it by the 5 in the 52, which represents 50. So we're multiplying 40 times 50. And that gives us 2,000. And we have lined those up so that all of our place values, all of our digits are in the right spot. I'm just going to write down what each of these partial products actually represents. So for the 8, that represented our 4 times 2. Our 200 was the 4 times 50. Our 80 was the 40 times 2. And our 2,000 is 40 times 50. So now we have 4 partial products that we're going to add together to find our final product, 52 times 44. Starting in the ones place, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands to add this up. And we see that 52 times 44 is 2,288. That is the partial product strategy for multiplication.